Communication Engineering, Punjab University, Patiala. Right from starting,
This call is now being recorded.
early morning, this international conference is commenced with presence of Honorable Vice Chancellor of this university, Professor Arvind Ji. Also, Dean of the Academic Affairs, Professor Balvir Singh. Also, the dignitaries participated in this webinar are Associate Dean, Research Department, Dr. Manjit Singh, Executive Vice President, IDTM Technologies, Dubai, Manjit Singh. Also, the former Director of SLET, he is Dr. Manpreet Singh, Oxford College of Engineering, Bengaluru, Dr. Preeta Sharma, Madam. Also, Dr. Indrapreet Kaur Sir, Secretary of the Prakash Bharati IEEE Photonics. Those who are taking efforts here, Convener Professor Ranjit Kaur Madam, Head Department of EC Department, Dean Directorate of the International Affairs, and also with the presence of the organizing secretaries, Dr. Sania Madam and Dr. Richa Sharma Madam. Right from starting of this international conference, I was in touch with this organization, especially Dr. Richa Sharma, who is taking kind efforts with her organizing committee members for to become success of this third international conference organized by her department. Really, it's a very great event for the teachers, academicians and researchers, those who are working in the field of the electronics and communication engineering. The themes which were presented in this conference are very innovative and related to our today's knowledge. All the efforts are going towards the enhancement of the knowledge, use of new technology in our department, and all the participants and researchers are taking benefit of such organization and such international conference. This also includes those who are participating here from industrial areas, academicians. They are benefited with all the knowledge, latest knowledge expressed by all the keynote speakers, expert speakers, and all the innovative speakers of this international conference. I am very happy that this event definitely will be enhanced or may be used or may be the a milestone of this our progress in the electronics and communication engineering section. This department is autonomous because of the such activities organized by this department, which having a best record of outcome from this department. All the faculties, head of the department, all the organizing committee members, those who are taking efforts for the success of the conference. I myself, as a researcher, I am Dr. Betkar MM, Principal Sri Kumar Swamy Mahavidyalaya Ausa, is very much thankful and congratulate to all the organizing committee for organizing this event, grand success of this event, and all those who are beneficiary for this event. And thank you to all for joining me here in your international conference. Thank you, madam. Thank you to all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable word. So, Dr. Inderpreet also joined us. She is the guest of honor of this valedictory session. Hello, ma'am.
Good evening, Dr. Richa. How are you?
Fine, all good, ma'am. All good. Ma'am, we are here for the valedictory session. And now I request Dr. Hardeep Singh Sodhi, kindly share your valuable remarks regarding the conference. Sir, over to you.
Hello, everybody. Yes. Hello, everybody. Good evening. First of all, I thank Dr. Richa Sharma for inviting me to pay my thanks and congratulations for this conference. It is a matter of delight and a great pleasure to know that Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Punjabi University Patiala has organized this international conference ICITEE 2021 today on 14 December 2021. I congratulate and appreciate the efforts of the organizers for organizing such an excellent conference with an amazing program and great speakers. This conference has brought together learned academicians and researchers to exchange and share their experiences and research results about all aspects of electronics engineering. Really, it was a humble effort by the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering to popularize electronics engineering at all levels, mentioning its important role in industrial, technological, and economic developments. The motive of this conference has been to provide the premier interdisciplinary forum for researchers, practitioners, scientists, and educators to present and discuss the most recent innovations, trends, and concerns in the field of electronics engineering. Dear academicians and researchers, especially research scholars and even MTech scholars, my message for you is always be research oriented. India is a big country of great intelligent researchers, scientists, innovators, and brilliant people. You all can do research in a very good way. Develop thinking skills in yourself. Be a thinker, creative thinker, critical thinker, and innovative thinker. One thing more that is very important for you is create your own ideas. Be honest to your research. Be honest to yourself. Follow research ethics and avoid plagiarism. My dear students and research scholars, keep in mind plagiarism is a crime. My one line message for the research scholars, MTech students, BTech students is to be a great thinker, a great researcher, a great innovator, and lastly, to become a successful entrepreneur. Moreover, always respect your mentor. So, lastly, once again, my sincere thanks and deep gratitude to Professor Arvind Ji, Vice Chancellor, Punjabi University Patiala, for organizing such an interesting and useful conference. Also, my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Ranjit Kaur, Head Electronics and Communication Engineering, Organizing Secretaries, Dr. Sonia and Dr. Richa Sharma for inviting me to share my talk. Once again, congratulations to the whole team of Punjabi University Patiala, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering for the grand success of this international conference ICITEE 2021. Really, you have done a great job. It was a splendid event, both in terms of intellectual quality and social gratification. Thanks once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your motivational words for researchers as well as for the organizing team. You have well said that we should avoid the plagiarism, and definitely in future we will have the collaborations with you so that you can motivate our researchers to do good research. Thank you, sir. So we are having another personality with us, Dr. Amol P. Bhondekar, Senior Principal Scientist from CSIO Chandigarh. Dr. Amol, can you switch on your camera and share your valuable words with us?
Hi, good afternoon, everybody. And I would just like to congratulate the organizing committee, specifically Professor Ranjit Kaur and Dr. Richa for organizing, such a great event. And it takes really a lot of efforts to, bring together all the people, specifically, roping in the keynote speakers and expert talks. And indeed, I really appreciate you guys that the talks were very very interesting. Some very new insights into it. I was very much moved by the inaugural address by Professor Arvind. And I really hope that under his, able leadership, the department grows. In fact, he being the man of, quantum physics, and the conference being mostly covering the photonic part or the quantum part of it, that was really great. And of course, the lecture by Dr. Sandeep Kumar Roy, that was on, photonics for artificial intelligence, the concepts he gave about how future photonic chips would be built, and specifically their architecture for applications in artificial intelligence and all. That was really, enlightening. Apart from that, of course, Professor Naresh Chand briefed about the innovative trends in communications these days. I'm very much, I was very much informed in that direction as well. Then, of course, there was a lecture by Dr. Preeta Sharan. That was, I guess, on photonic chip design for biosensing applications. So such applications are definitely of our interest at CSIO Chandigarh. Of course, since COVID times, we all know what is the role of artificial intelligence in online education and the new education, trends. So Dr. Manpreet Singh Manna, he covered the topic in a very elaborate and a very interesting way. I thank to him as well. And apart from that, it was really a very unique experience for me, because I never expected such topics to be covered in an electronics engineering conference, specifically when you talk of photonics and all. So anyways, just to, since Dr. Richa has introduced me very briefly, but just for others, just to introduce myself, I'm working as a senior principal scientist with the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. We have a lab at Chandigarh. That's called as Central Scientific Instruments Organization. And we do have a very state-of-the-art photonics laboratory, and we are setting up a photonic fabrication facility as well. So if any of the participants of this conference who are specifically interested in photonics applications and experimentations are welcome to be with us here at Chandigarh. And thank you, Richa, once again. Thank you, Professor Ranjit Kaur. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Dr. Amol. Thanks for sparing your valuable time for us. We are having the Dr. Anusheetal with us. Welcome, ma'am. So now I request Dr. Lakshmi Shankar to give a brief biography of Dr. Inderpreet, the today's guest of honor of the valedictory session.
Good evening, all of you. I'm reading the profile of Dr. Inderpreet Kaur. She has more than 20 years of experience in the spheres of research, education, and administration at higher education institutes, woman entrepreneur in the field of education sector. Her prime interest areas of being smart grid, optical fiber communication, renewable energy sources, electrical vehicles, electrical machinery, and engineering education. She has taught many subjects like optical fiber communication, reliability engineering, research methodology engineering, and non-conventional energy resources. To her credit, total 51 patents, out of which 43 published and 6 are granted. She has authored 3 books and published over 65 international journals. She is the reviewer and attendee of more than 100 international conferences, mainly IEEE and Springer, and 40 national conferences. She has also organized several FDPs and workshops and seminars. Her serving positions are like Director Engineering and Officiating Dean Academic Affairs, Vice Principals, Head Examination Cell, Officiating Principal and Head of the Department, She is the professional member of national and international bodies like senior member of IEEE Prakash Bharati, life member of International Association of Engineers, the Optical Society of India. She was appreciated by internationally recognized entities through awards like Great Indian Woman Award 2021, India's Top 20 Women Leaders in Education 2020, and National Mahila Ratan Gold Medal Award and consecutive Best Teacher Award by ISTE and Chandigarh University for the last 3 years. So thank you, ma'am. You're welcome in this valedictory session of this third international conference. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Lakshmi Shankar, for giving the beautiful introduction of the beautiful lady. Thank you so much. Now, I request Dr. Inderpreet, please share her valuable words with us.
Thank you, Dr. Richa, and thank you, Dr. Lakshmi Shankarji, for introducing me so nicely. While I would like to say thank you to the organizing team for inviting me here, and I pay my gratitude to Honorable Vice Chancellor Punjabi University Patiala, Professor Arvind, Professor Balveer Singh Ji, Dean Academic Affairs, Professor Manjeet Singh Patra, Associate Dean Research and Dean Faculty, Punjabi University, Professor Ranjit Kaur, Head and Dean International Affairs, Punjabi University, Dr. Sonia, Dr. Richa and their team, delegates, faculty members and their students. First of all, I would like to thank and congratulate the organizing team for successfully executing this international conference on innovative trends in electronics engineering. I would like to congratulate again for selecting such a wonderful theme, the awesome theme on innovative trends, which is the need of an hour for especially during this technological era, where the technology and the innovation, they are like the wheels of a train. So let me share with you a very small story for 2 minutes. Like there is a small city, city beautiful in India, that is Chandigarh, very nearby to the Nawab city of Punjab, that is Patiala. So 25 years ago, one little girl from Punjab got married in that city, and she married in a middle class family. There was a transformation in her life from hostel life to immediately she was transformed and shifted or married to a joint family. She lived happily with her husband, with her parent-in-laws, sister-in-laws are there. So 3 years later, in fact, she was blessed with a daughter and a son. Like all other Indian women, all other Indian ladies, all other Indian mothers, she normally woke up early in the morning at around 5 a.m., jumped from the bed, rushed to the kitchen, preparing the food for the family, packing the tiffin for the husband, for sister-in-laws, for her kids, and life goes on. And at a time, the school bus horn blew off. On the same time, the time for her medicine for her father-in-law, because he was sugar diabetic. So one day she realized that though she managed her time very well, because she has to rush to her office too, one day she realized that all Indian women, they normally spend 60% of their life in the kitchen, starting early in the morning at 5 or 6 a.m. and at the evening serving last cup of tea or coffee or milk to the family members. So from 6 a.m. to around 10:30 or 11 a.m., every Indian woman spends 60% of her life in the kitchen. so struggling with the time management, with nurturing of their kids. She one day invented one cooker, that is electric cooker, induction based electric cooker, and that was patented and now at the final stage of grant, because in India normal granting period is 6 to 7 years, but due to COVID it now extends more than 7 years. So in 2014 she filed her first patent, uh, and at this moment, she has filed 51 patents. Let me introduce that lady, that little girl, who is presently sharing a screen, online screen with you, and that is in the clip. So I want to, the message, I hope, the dignitaries, the chief guests, keynote speakers, guest speakers have shared so many valuable time as Dr. Amol has shared. The takeaway from their pearl of wisdom will be definitely more than enough. As Dr. Hardeep very really rightly said, that plagiarism is a crime and we should care about it. But though we have to, it is the time that we should identify the problems and issues around us. And that issues and that problems are not problems. Basically, they are the opportunities for us to innovate for the solutions to that for that problems or for that challenges. So that passion and that innovation is nothing but the passion to identify the issues or the problems around us. Your theory part can be copied, but your passion cannot be copied. And your passion is nothing but your ignition to the innovation. And that is the passion, and passion is energy. So this is my takeaway. I congratulate the organizing team once again. I thank IEEE Chandigarh subsection, IEEE Photonics Rajasthan chapter, Delhi section, and IEEE Prakash Bharati, a consortium of Photonics Society of India, to technically sponsor this event. And once again, I congratulate Professor Ranjit, Professor Richa, because they are working continuously for the last 6 months or more than 6 months for coordinating this event, to book the slots for the like organize keynote guest and guests. So congratulations and thank you all, and wish you very best to all the participants who today have so many things to get a takeaway from this conference. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your lovely words. The story you have told is the story of every woman. We all are facing these things every day. Actually, we are at the age when our kids are so young, and we have to take care of them as well as we have to take care of our professional life. So we have to make a big balance between family and the professional life. And your words are very motivating. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, we are moving further. I request Dr. Sonia to give the concluding remarks of this conference. She will give the report of the full conference. She is the organizing secretary. We both are working as a team. Sometimes I am low, she is on the higher side. Sometimes she is lower, I am on the higher side. But we worked together, and with the support of Dr. Ranjit, we make this event successful. So, well said by the Dr. Naresh Chandji. We should work in a team. We should always work in a team. So this event is successful only because of us. Thank you. So now I request Dr. Sonia to share the words.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Richa. The Department of ECE, Punjabi University Patiala, has organized 3rd International Conference on Innovative Trends in Electronics Engineering. The conference aims to bring together academicians, researchers, and experts from all over the world to come together, interact, and exchange views, and to support professional development. Around 50 papers have been received from various institutes in this conference. All the papers have been subjected to plagiarism check and reviewed by the reputed reviewers. About 125 delegates from all over the country and abroad participated in this conference. All accepted paper will be published in the conference proceedings, and some selected papers will be published in Scopus Index Journal. The conference is started with the University Dhuni and is inaugurated by Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Arvind. After that, Dr. Ranjit Kaur, the head of the department, formally welcomed all the delegates. The inaugural session followed by 2 keynote speeches and 2 expert talks. Dr. Sandeep Kumar Roy, Executive Vice Chancellor, ITM Technologies, Dubai, discussed the role of photonics for the artificial intelligence. Nowadays, what are the various innovative trends in the communication are well described by Professor Naresh Chand, Associate Vice President, IEEE Photonics Society, New Jersey. Dr. Manpreet Singh Manna from Slight Longowal, also former Director, AICT, shared his views on the role of artificial intelligence in the education system. After that, Dr. Preeta Sharan from Oxford College of Engineering, Bangalore, has described the method how to design photonic chip for biosensing applications. The formal vote of thanks is given by Dean Academic Affairs, Dr. B.S. Sandhu, in the morning session. In the evening at 1:30 p.m., there were 4 parallel tracks for presenting the papers. The tracks were as follows: role of computer in Internet of Things, recent trends in antenna and optical communication, advances in wireless communication, challenges and opportunities in artificial intelligence and deep learning system. All the researchers presented their paper in their respective tracks according to their field of specialization. At the beginning of each session, participants were presented with background information and discussion questions. Then, following a structured process of brainstorming and information exchange, participants in the session reached a consensus on various recommendations and discussed related barriers and solutions. Dr. Amrit Kaur, Dr. Simranjit Singh, Dr. Ramandeep Kaur, Dr. Byan are the session coordinator of the 4 different tracks. The 4 experts, Dr. Anushital from Guru Nanak Dev University Regional Campus, Gurdaspur, Dr. Nidhi from Amity University, Noida, Dr. Jagtar Singh from Yadavindra College of Engineering, Talwandi Sabo, Bathinda, and Dr. Neeru from Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala, Dr. Charanjit Singh, Dr. Harjinder Singh, Dr. Lavkesh, Dr. Amandeep Singh Sapal from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Punjabi University, Patiala, chaired the session and concluded this session at the end. The experts have found the best paper in each of the tracks. In track 1, the best paper is given to paper ID 108. The title of the paper is Blockchain and its Application, and the author is Geet Kiran, who is a research scholar from the Department of Computer Science, Punjabi University, Patiala. In track 2, as we are having 2 different fields in the track 2, antenna and optical communication, so we are having the 2 best paper award in this track. First is paper ID 132, hexagon shape Sipinski carpet wearable fractal antenna for wireless application. Author is Sandeep Singh Saram, who is a research scholar in the Department of ECE, Punjabi University, Patiala. And the second paper in the field of optical communication, the paper ID is 141, evaluation of a mode of division multiplexed free space optics transmission system under rainy weather and scintillation effects. The author is Anita Suman, who is a research scholar from the IK Gujral, Punjab Technical University, Kapurthala. In track 3, the paper ID is 140, title is Optimized Dynamic Cluster Head Selection Algorithm for Wireless Sensor Network. Author name is Preeti, who is a research scholar in the Department of ECE, Punjabi University, Patiala. And the last Best Paper Award is given to, in track 4, paper ID ICIT EE 138, Performance Analysis of Deep Transfer Model for Cervical Cancer Detection. Author name is Harmanpreet Kaur, who is a research scholar in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Punjabi University, Patiala. Thank you. Over to you, Richa ma'am.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sonia, and congratulations to the authors who got selected best research paper in this conference. So Dr. Ranjit is with us, the head of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Punjab University, Patiala. Ma'am, kindly give the vote of thanks to the participants as well as to the dignitaries present here.
Thank you, Dr. Richa. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. So the research contributions, as Dr. Sonia already concluded, from all over India and from the other different countries, we have received in this third international conference on innovative trends in electronics engineering. So around approximately 50 papers were received. So all papers had been subjected to plagiarism check and reviewed by reputed reviewers. So all accepted papers will be published in the conference proceeding having ISBN number, and some quality selected papers we will publish in the Scopus Index journal. So I want to thank, first of all, we appreciate the guidance and support of Dr. Inderpreet Kaur. So she guided us in so many ways, any unconditional, without any conditional support, unconditional support she has given this for this conference. So thank you very much, ma'am. I would like to thank Dr. Bedkar, and I also welcome Dr. Bedkar, and I thank you, Dr. Amol Bhandekar, Dr. Hardeep, for their presence in this conference on a very short notes. So thank you, sir. And I would like to give the appreciation and thanks to the expert speakers of the conference and keynote speakers, conference organizers, session chairs, Professor Anu Sheetal, Dr. Neeru Jindal, Dr. Nidhi Sindhwani, Dr. Jagtar, and the other session chairs from the department, Dr. Amandeep Singh Sappal, Dr. Charanjit Singh, Dr. Harjinder, Dr. Amrit, Dr. Lavkesh, Dr. Ramandeep Kaur, Dr. Simranjit Singh Tiwana, Dr. Beyant. All the reviewers as well as authors for their contribution for making the successful of the event of ISTE EE 2021. We greatly acknowledge our publishing partner, Royal Publishing House, for their collaborating support in publishing the conference proceedings. And last but not least, so I want to thank the organizers of this conference who worked hard day and night to make this conference a success. That is Dr. Sonia and Dr. Richa Sharma. So I am really thankful to both of them for their hard work, and they have worked as a team to make this conference happening, because in the starting I was not hopeful that we will be able to do this in the online, but both of them, even the whole team has worked so hard to make this a success. So at the end, I want to thank all the committee members and all the participants and all the guests who graces the occasion and devoted their time and effort to help prepare and organize this conference. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Dr. Ranjit, for your wonderful words. So Dr. Anu Sheetal is with us. I request her to share her valuable words with us. Over to Dr. Anu Sheetal. Ma'am, am I audible to you?
Yes, teacher, you are audible.
Dr. Anu Sheetal? Okay, I think she is having the connectivity problem. So I will invite the track organizers so that they can share their words with us. First, I call upon Dr. Beant. Dr. Beant, can you unmute and share your track review? Okay. Dr. Raman is there? Dr. Raman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please share your track reviews.
In track 2, we had 10 papers, and from antenna field and optical communication. So the expert session chair of track 2, Dr. Jagtar Singh, professor and head department of ECE, Yadavindra College of Engineering, Talwandi Sabo, Bathinda. So in this track, the session chair was Dr. Lavkesh and session coordinator myself, Dr. Ramandeep Kaur. And in our track 2, there are 2 papers as told by the Sonia ma'am, 2 Best Paper Awards from our track 2. And at the end of this track, Dr. Jagtar Singh has conclude the session at the end. So with this, I would like to say thank you to the team of ICIT 2021 and given the opportunity to the researchers to show their work. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Raman. Professor Jagtar Singh is with us. He is having the session track number 2. Sir, can you give your remarks, Dr. Jagtar? Dr. Jagtar? Okay. Anushital ma'am, can you unmute? Okay, I think it's not possible to connect with them. So the participants are with us. I want to take the feedback from the participants. Any participant who want to share his...
Hello?
Yes, Anu ma'am, you are audible. Can you share your views with us?
It had been a wonderful experience, especially the keynote speaker, and the morning session was absolutely focused one, how to carry out your research in the various areas which are upcoming. And since my field is also related with the photonics, so it had been really interesting one. And the way they explained it, the way they touched the areas in which innovations can be carried on. So it had been really motivational lectures. Even the lectures, even the papers in the tracks, they were very good. I had a paper from BTech first year student also during my track session. So it was wonderful that you had motivated your students so much to participate in such conferences, because once the motivation is there, then you can think the things differently and act upon them. So it was really amazing meeting you all virtually, but it was really wonderful. Congratulations for such a wonderful organization.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I request the participants kindly share your feedback. Any participant who want to share his feedback can unmute.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Mansha Sharma.
Yes.
May I proceed?
Okay. Can you switch on your camera, Mansha?
Sure, ma'am. Am I visible?
Yes, you are visible.
Yeah. Okay. So, good evening to all. My name is Mansha Sharma. I'm a BTech first year student and I've presented the paper in track 1 on decrypting the cryptocurrency. I would like to thank the panel organizers and panel members for giving me such an opportunity. It was perhaps the second one that I have been presenting the research paper. My first paper has already been published in the Springer Journal. Thank you so much to the teachers and professors who have been motivating throughout and have faith in me that I could present the paper by myself. I would also like to thank my co-author, Mr. Sunny Masan, who has been a motivating factor for me. And thank you. It was a great exposure to me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mansha Sharma. Any other participant who want to share his or her valuable feedback with us?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Myself, Sony. Ma'am, I presented my paper in track number 2. So I would like to thank you all for organizing such a thoughtful and effective conference, ma'am. I gained a better understanding of the concept of knowledge and apply it to various problems. I really enjoyed the time here and I'm looking forward to the next conference. So I would also like to thank my guide, Dr. Sonia ma'am and Dr. Ranjit ma'am for always motivating me to join such conferences and so that I can carry out my research work with much more motivation and with much focus. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sony Singh. Any other participant who want to share his or her feedback? Anyone from the participant side? Okay, so I request to all of you kindly switch on your cameras so that we can have the photograph with all of you. Yes, thank you so much. Just wait for a minute. Welcome, Nidhi ma'am.
Hello, Richa ma'am. This time I am driving. How are you all?
All good, all good. Drive safely. We are not disturbing you. You are on the way.
No
Thank you
problem.
so
I
much
can
for
manage.
joining us and sparing your valuable time with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Congratulations to your team for organizing IEEE conference. And thank you for the opportunity, ma'am, Richa ma'am, Sonia ma'am, and HOD ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you to team IEEE. Thank you.
So we are at the end of the day. We done all the things well on time, and hopefully you all enjoyed the whole day. inaugural ceremony, session tracks, as well as valedictory. And with one promise that next year we come up with another conference with you. Most probably that will be offline. And I would like to do the associations with all of you. If you are having the MOUs, we can go for the MOUs with the other institutes. So it's a wonderful experience for me. And I thank Dr. Professor Hardeep Singh ji, Dr. Amol, Dr. Inderpreet. They have joined on a very short notice. We are thankful from core of my heart. And last but not least, my whole EC faculty members, my staff members. Some are working on the front end. You are looking us, but some are working at the back end. So our staff of the EC department is very talented. They worked hard to make this conference successful. Dr. Preeti, the technical part she has covered of this conference. I congratulate Dr. Preeti ma'am. If you are there, please switch on your camera so that everybody can see you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Thanks for acknowledging myself.
Yes, ma'am. You did the wonderful job.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So
at the end, Richa, I want to say ਕਿ ਸਫਲਤਾ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਦੀ, ਪਰ ਜੇ ਮਨ ਬਣਾ ਲਈਏ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੈ. So all of you have done this. I want to congratulate all the faculty and staff member of EC department, organizers, conference members, committee members of this conference, everyone, all the speakers, all the guests. So I again want to thank all of you, and I hope next year we will meet in the offline mode. I hope we will do that. Thank you.
So thanks to Dr. Lavkesh. She is also there. Dr. Lavkesh. Unmute yourself, ma'am. Share one or two words.
Yes, Lavkesh, we want to hear from your side.
Unmute yourself.
Thank you, Dr. Richa. This is really a very wonderful experience. Conferences in the online mode. And the main thing is we met with the very great personalities, the eminent personalities who share their valuable knowledge. And I think at the end of session, we have a full basket of the knowledge and which we can use in our further assignments. So it's really a wonderful, and as I was in track 2, in that also, students presented, the delegates presented very well the topics. So overall, this is very wonderful, and hope in the next year, definitely offline mode. In offline mode, there will be another conference. So I think this is due to the whole team, and overall, this is under one umbrella. Are the main building block or our head of the department, Dr. Ranjit Kaur, who basically motivate. And I think this is just a very good experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Dr. Amrit is also with us. I want to Dr. Amrit, please share your words with us. Dr. Amrit.
Hello, is my voice audible?
Yes, you are audible. Can you switch on your camera?
I would like to congratulate everybody, all the authors I would like to congratulate, because when we complete our research, we only say the one and the last thing, that doing research is easy, but writing paper is very tough. So the main thing, everybody has written so nicely the papers, then they have done the revisions, then they have made the PPTs, they have made the videos, they have presented so well, then they have answered to the queries of all the experts. So I would like to congratulate each and every individual who gave their paper. And Then I would like to congratulate all our EC faculty, all the organizers, head ma'am, and all those who took out their time to attend this. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much, Dr. Amrit. So, ma'am, can we conclude with your kind permission?
Yes, of course.
Hanji. So, thank you everyone for your patient listening. और अगर पूरा दिन मेरे से बोलने में कोई गलती हुई हो तो प्लीज spare me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Please, you can leave.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye everyone.